be in possession of this here vessel. We want what was taken from us. The Golden Gauntlet! The Golden Gauntlet belongs to us! And we need to have it back!
It's a powerful weapon!
It can destroy an entire ship with a single blast.
The Gauntlet is magic! It can make fire in the sky! It all be true. Who possesses it controls the sea! 'Tis why we want the poor excuse for a pirate what took it from us! And his name be Jack Sparrow. Someone be mad of him! Aye, and me gnomes tell me they be hiding the real threat. Archer! He's here! Find him!
Oh, condescend, you coward!
Mark well me words. We will find you! Show yourself!
Ah, there you are!
Where?
Here! Wait, you're not him! Jack, come back to me! I have a surprise for you. Settle on!
Ah, enough! Turn Sparrow over to us, or we'll send the lot of you to Davy Jones! And tell us, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Yes, where is he? I'm sorry. Who are we looking for?
Jack Sparrow!
There should be a captain in there somewhere. Now kindly, unhand me shipmates. Or shall I send you to Davy Jones?
Ah, so they are your shipmates.
I think so. I can't do this all by me onesie, savvy? So, you are me shipmates, are you not? There you have it, me shipmates.
Very well. Then they shall share your fate!
Oops, sorry.
Fire!
Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing it again.
I'll use that rope to hang him! First get the gauntlet! Deal!
You're on.
Get the gauntlet! Don't let him get away! Get the gauntlet! Time to meet your fellows! The gauntlet!
Changing course. A little help from my crew would have been nice. Savvy.
Give me that gauntlet, Sparrow. It's ours.
Possession is, in fact, 9/10 of the law.
Then we'll possess it!
It's really more of a guideline than a law.
Tie me your date with a noose.
I'm cancelling that date.
Like you did mine? How is she?
I don't know if I deserve that.
I'll be taking the gauntlet back, Jack. And your hand with it!
I'll take his head.
Any last words?
This one. Fire